and must be closed for modification. Must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. Got it, guys? Must be closed for modification. Is that clear? Yeah. Listen. Flipkart target class. All these are possible dependent classes implementing common interface. Why they are implementing common interface? For two reasons. For achieving loose coupling and to make our code open for extension. To make our code open for extension, right? Next, why we are taking factory? I don't want to see client application knowing the process of creating target and dependent classes, right? That's why I'm taking factory. So how to make our code closed for modification? By taking all the classes as final classes, we can make our code closed for modification or not. Super, guys. I'm copying this. File new. This. Paste, guys. Yeah. StrategyDP implementation. Implementation using Core Java. September 27th, 2020. I think today is 28th, boss. Today is 28th. Right, guys. Shall I develop the application? It's a Core Java application, boss. It's a Core Java application. Done. NTSP 63. Super, guys. So let's create the project. Java project. Say next. What is this? Core project 6. Am I right? Core project 6. Maven project in Spring I will take. While implementing same strategy pattern using Spring, I will take the support of Maven. Okay, Core Pros 6, guys. Core Pros 6. What is that? StrategyDP. IMPL implementation Core Java. StrategyDP implementation using Core Java. Say next. Say finish. Say next, say finish. Super, guys. In Core Java, do I need to add any jars, guys, in Core Java setup? No. Can I add the packages here? SRC. com.nt.cfgs. Cool. SRC. Package. com.nt.cfgs. com.nt.components. Yes, boss. Next, I think it's a normal Java project, core Java project. No configuration files are required. Package com.nt.factory. com.nt.factory. Next, new package com.nt.test. com.nt.text, guys. These are the three packages that I would like to get. Super. Shall we move to that? First, we develop the interface, my dear. We develop the interface. Courier. We develop the interface. Courier. Courier.java. What is that? Common interface. Common interface. Tell me here, what is this? Public int deliver into order ID. Okay. Array will say string deliver. String deliver order ID. Cool. Let's close all other windows, my dear. New class. New class. Tell me here. Blue dart. Interface. Courier. Interface courier. This dependent class 1. What is that, guys? Dependent class 1. Dependent class 1. Dependent class 1. Super, guys. Tell me, guys, here. Okay. Return OID order. What is that? OID order ID. Orders are. Order. Products are. Products are given for delivery. Given for. Okay. Okay. Given for delivery. Given for delivery to who, guys? Blue Dot Courier Service. Blue Dot Courier Service. Got it, guys? Alexa, turn on balcony central lights. Thank you. Super, guys. Now tell me, guys. Blue Dot is ready. File save as DHL. DHL dot Java. DHL dot Java. Okay. Here is my DHL dot Java. Dependent class 2. Yes. OID order products are given for delivery to whom? DHL courier service. What service, guys? DHL courier service. DHL courier service. File save as First flight. First flight dot Java. Here is my first flight dot Java. Yeah. Dependent class 3. Super. OID order ID products are given for delivery to first flight. First flight courier service. Right, boss? First flight courier service. Just a minute, my dear. Satisfy. Our class must be closed for extension. Better to take this class as final class. DHL. Better to take this class as final class. Next, Blue Dot. Better to take this class as final class. Right. To give the feeling whether objects are created or not, I will add one constructor. First flight. Here is my sys_trace. Zero param constructor. What is that? Zero param constructor. Nice. What's the DHL? DHL. What is this? Sys_trace. Zero param constructor. Next, Blue Dart. Yes, boss. Sys_trace. Zero param constructor. Understanding my statement. Array control space, you will get suggestions. So choose the suggestion of constructor there. Just to choose the suggestion of constructor. Super. We are ready with the dependent classes, my dear, along with the common interface. Shall I take target class now? Yeah. Flipkart. If you don't like Flipkart, take Myntra. I don't have a problem. Flipkart. Here is my Flipkart.java. Here is my target. Flipkart.java. Here is my target. Nice, boss. Okay. It's a pure based on core Java. Tell me, better to take as a property of type interface or of type concrete class? Better to take as a property of type interface or as of type concrete class? I want reply, boss. Better to take as a property of type interface or of type concrete class? Array has a property of type interface as type concrete class. I asked my question. Some people put my question as it is there. Okay, has a property as a property. Fine. What should be taken? Concrete type, concrete class type, interface type. Concrete class type, interface type. Concrete type. Whoever give an answer, concrete type. After the class, in front of your home, there will be one drainage canal. Jump into that. My D fellows. Why are you sitting in front of systems every day, Ra? Why are you sitting in front of systems every day? For time pass? Or to waste parents' money and your money? Or to show off in front of parents? I am also doing courses. For what reason you are sitting in front of system? What is strategy design pattern rule number 2? What is strategy design pattern rule number 2? Code to interfaces are abstract classes. Never code to concrete classes, right? What is the purpose of that? Loose coupling, right? I think 5-6 people have given answer of concrete class, concrete class. In first example, we didn't follow strategy design pattern. That's why we have taken what? Has a property of class type. Has a property of class type. But in this example, we are seriously following or not? Private courier. Private courier as a property of interface type. As a property of interface type. Setter method. Setter method here. Tell me. Public void set courier. Courier is equal to public void set courier. This dot courier is equal to courier. Public void set courier. This dot courier is equal to courier. Systrace. Set courier. Setter method. We assign dependent class object to target class object. Okay, here I am taking one constructor to give the feeling target class object is created. Systrace. Flipkart colon. What is this? Zero param construct. Zero param construct. Understanding my statement? Here is my business method. What is that, guys? Here is my business method. Tell me how to deal with that business method, guys. Public string shopping is the business method. In shopping, string items are okay. Double prices are here. You can keep flower bracket anywhere. You can keep flower bracket anywhere. That's not a big issue. All right. Calculate bill amount. Double bill amount is equal to 0. 0.0. F is not required. Yes, guys. Now I need to go through that loop, Bob. For double price colon prices. I think you understood. Double price colon prices. I'm going through each element of the price. I'm adding to bill amount. Bill amount is equal to bill amount plus price. Bill amount is equal to bill amount plus price. Got it? Okay. End of the for. Simply it's the end of the for loop or not? Simply it's the end of the for loop, guys. Here I am calculating bill amount. Here is my for loop, guys. Here is my for loop, guys. Here is my for loop, guys. After that, what next? Okay. Tell me. Now I have to write deliver the product. Generate the order ID. Generate the order ID. Are one random number I want to generate the order ID. Tell me, guys, to generate any number as a random number, To generate any random number as random number, we should use random class or not? We must use a random class or not? We must and should use a random class or not? Into OID is equal to new random of next int of 10,000. New random of next int of 10,000. Array, one number in between 1 to 10,000 will come randomly. Array, this is a predefined class, Ra Babu. Okay, super. Next. Okay. Set the delivery. Set the courier for delivery. Set the courier for delivery. Tell me, still delivery message is equal to tell me, courier dot deliver of OI. Courier dot deliver of OI. Understood, guys? Courier dot deliver of OI. Super means super or not? We are getting delivery message. Super, guys. Now tell me. Yeah. Okay. Display shopping details. Return. Tell me. Arrays dot to string of items or purchased. Having bill amount. Plus, yeah, delivery status we are keeping. Plus delivery message. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity? Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity, guys? Everyone? Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity? That's it. Super. Yeah, this is my target class. This is my dependent class 3. Are you comfortable, guys? This is my end of the method. This is my end of the class. One place end of the method, one place end of the class. Super, guys. Now listen. Do you want to suffer client person towards how to create target class object, how to create dependent class object, how to assign dependent class object to target class object? Do you have real intention of suffering client failure? No. If you don't want to suffer client failure, what we should do? If you don't want to suffer client failure, what we should do, guys? We need to implement one factory pattern. We should implement in factory pattern. There, you create a method to create and return object by providing abstraction on object creation process. Right, boss? Super, guys. Now I am coming to factory. New class. What is that? Flipkart factory. Whose object you want to return? That factory. Car factory returns car object. Next. Flipkart factory.java. Flipkart factory.java. Understanding my statement? Super. Now tell me, guys, every factory term contains one static factory method. Static factory method. Why we should take one as a static factory method? Tell me. People are not interested in factory class object. People are interested in factory written resultant object, right? So if someone wants to call method of a class without object, it should be static method or not? It must be static method or not? It should be static method. What do you say, guys? It must and should be static method. Tell me. Public static. Public static Flipkart. Yeah, but we want to give just a Flipkart object or Flipkart having dependent courier object. But we have multiple types of couriers, right? So get instance. Generally in factory class, method name will be get instance. Flipkart factory dot get instance gives Flipkart object. Instance means object, get instance. But I want to see client value calling this method without object. That's why I have taken what? Static method and public method, right? String courier type. String courier type. Control plus shift plus this. Public static Flipkart. Get instance string courier type. Get instance string courier type. Now let's see, guys. Okay. Courier is equal to courier is equal to null. If courier type equals ignore case. What is that? DHL. Then what is there? Courier is equal to new DHL of. Courier is equal to new DHL of. Hey, DHL is not taken. Taken, boss. Taken. Else if courier type equals ignore case B dot. Courier is equal to new blue dot of. Super, guys. Else if courier type equals ignore case first flight is over, blue dot. Here is my next blue dot array. Next one, DHL first flight. Okay, first flight. Tell me next. Courier is equal to new first flight of. New DHL, new blue dot of, new first flight of. Else throw new illegal argument exception. Throw new illegal argument exception. Invalid. Throw new illegal argument exception, guys. Tell me, guys, invalid courier type. Yeah, if anything else is given, I'm throwing the exception. Okay, guys. Next, this is dependent class object creation. See, this entire headache is gone now, boss. Okay. Next, create target class object. Flipkart FPKT is equal to new Flipkart of. Done. Next, FPKT dot set courier. Okay, guys. First flight spell mistake now corrected. Happy? Set dependent class object to target class object. Yeah, return FPKT. Return FPKT. Here we are ready with the Flipkart factory or not? Here we are ready with the Flipkart factory or not? I want reply. I want reply. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Guys, give me 2 minutes time. Whenever we call get instance method, we happily get everything. What do you say, guys? Is it not interesting? Definitely interesting. Okay. Super. Now let's go for client application, boss. Here is our client application. Here is our client application. New class. StrategyDP test. StrategyDP test. DP means design pattern. StrategyDP test, my dear. Okay. Get target class object. Get target class object. Flipkart FPKT is equal to Flipkart. Okay. Flipkart factory dot get instance. Flipkart factory dot get instance DHL. Super. Next, invoke the method. Next is what? Invoke the method. Super, guys. Here, string message is equal to overall message rather. FPKT dot shopping is the method. Shopping is the method. Tell me there what should I take? New string array. Yeah, for Dasra festival, what you purchase, guys? In North India also Dasra festival is there. In North also Dasra festival is there or not there? Say something, guys. In North India also Dasra festival is there or not there? Okay, Durga Puja. I think it is called Durga Puja. I think in Orissa it is called Puja festival. In Bengal it is called Puja festival. Navaratri, yes. In Telugu state it is known as Dasara. In Telangana region it's the biggest festival, boss. In every home at least every person purchases one new cloth. That much big it is. That much big it is, right? I think in Andhra, Sankranti is the big festival. Yeah, in Andhra it is called as Pongal is a big festival. In Tamil Nadu and Andhra, Pongal is a big festival. Right. Okay. In Maharashtra, biggest festival is Dasra. I think Diwali is the biggest festival in North states. Okay. Right. Super, guys. New string array. New string array. Tell me. Shart, guys. Shirt, guys. Then shoe. First element. Second element is shoe. End of it. New double array. Shirt price is shirt price is 3000.0. Branded shirts, ra babu. If you get software job, we can purchase all branded things. Shoe. Next one, new double array. 6000 is the shoe. Okay. 6000 is the shoe price. Two elements are required and we kept the both elements. Understanding my statement. Okay. Someone saying that I would like to purchase dhoti for this Dasra festival, sir. Okay. What is your dhoti cost, guys? 2000 rupees. String message is equal to this. String message is equal to this. Fine. Sys out message. Sys out message. I think everyone think that got it, guys. Shall we run the application, my dear? Let's run the application. Yeah. DHL class object is created. Flipkart class object is created. By calling set courier method, DHL is assigned to Flipkart object. DHN is assigned to Flipkart object. After that, what? Shirt, shoe, dhoti are purchased. Having bill amount 11,000. Okay. 4129 order ID, order products are given for delivery to DHL courier service. DHL courier service. Everything is happening as expected, guys. Here, business method is executed or not? Business method is executed. Go to this place. Here, sys control space. SOP with message will come. First flight, sys with message. Here also, sys blue dot. Sys. Okay, go to factory, guys. Here also I am taking S4. Okay, yes. And all SOPs are added. Check it out, guys. Strategy design part. First, I call factory get instance. I got Flipkart class object. Flipkart in the get instance first creates dependent object, then target object, then assigns dependent object to target object by calling setter method, then call shopping. The shopping method internally calls deliver method, and here we are got the message. Here we got the message. Here we got the message. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Everything is clear here. Everything you understood here. Super, guys. Are you with me, guys? Okay. Easy. Array, whatever I have explained, same thing is reflecting here. Okay. Courier.java here. Now I will tell implementing limitations of implementing strategy pattern using core Java. Limitations are there, definitely there, no doubt in them. First flight.java. First flight.java. Next, ludart.java. Ludart.java. Flipkart.java. Flipkart.java. Next, Flipkart Factory.java. And lastly, client application. Lastly, client application. Super guys, Flipkart Factory, Flipkart, Ludart, First Flight, Korean. Yes, boss. Why take final? Shiva, did you miss any last class? We take classes as final for what reason? Tell me. We take classes as final classes for what reason? Actually, here also final. To make our code closed for modification, right? What is strategy rule number 3? What is strategy rule number 3? Okay. People miss the classes and try to show their talent in the chat box. To keep class closed for modification. Can we develop subclasses for final classes? No. Can we override final class methods in subclasses? Can we have new logics? No. No overriding possible, no modification possible means no new logics possible means indirectly our code is closed for modification or not. Indirectly our code is closed for modification or not. Okay, guys. Super. Next, guys. Limitations of developing. Tell me. Limitations of developing StrategyDP using core Java setup. Core Java setup. Okay, guys. First of all, tell me. Tell me, guys. We need to take care of the dependency management between target and dependent classes. Target and dependent classes manual. We need to take care of the dependency management between target class and dependent classes manual. What do you say, guys? It's happening or not happening? Happening or not happening? Definitely it's happening, right, boss? Limitations of developing StrategyDP using core Java. Next, guys. Since no container support is there, we need to develop factory pattern manually, behaving like container. Indirectly, factory pattern is behaving like a container, na boss? Behaving like container. Yes, boss. Behaving like container. Behaving like container. Next, no pre-instantiation support. No pre-instantiation support on classes. All objects will be created. Okay. Lazily as needed. Lazily as needed. What do you say, guys? Next. No internal cache. No internal cache. Maintaining Spring Bean class objects. Okay, for future utilization. For future utilization. No internal cache maintaining Spring Bean class objects for future utilization. For future utilization. For future utilization. Limitations of developing StrategyDP using core Java set. Simply using core Java set. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah. And much burden to programmer. Much burden to programmer towards application development. Towards the application development. Yes, guys. Understanding my statement. To overcome these problems. To overcome these problems. Take the support of Spring. Take the support of Spring to develop strategy design pattern. Take the support of Spring to develop strategy design pattern application. To simply develop strategy design pattern application. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Easy, boss. You got the realization. You got the realization. Come on. Super. Same application I would like to develop by using what is that? Spring. But this time I want to develop Spring by using Maven project, guys. By using Maven. Shall I give some basic knowledge about Maven? Other Saturday I have given some videos to watch. How many of you watch at least 50% videos? This course is combination of some live classes, few recorded session, especially for tools and common topics. For tools and common topics, I give a lot of recorded videos, Ra Babu. Okay, don't worry. Those you watched, those you not watched, everyone please concentrate. Maven, don't say Maven, always say Maven. It is a build tool, right? Build tool. Build tool for Java projects. Build tool for Java projects. Understanding my point? Okay. Useful to build the projects. Useful to build the projects in Java-based IDs. Okay. In Java-based IDs. Okay. Next, building the project. Building the project means, okay, keeping the application ready for execution. Understanding my statement, guys? Keeping the application ready for execution. Keeping the application ready for execution. Okay, by completing by completing compilation, packaging, okay, packaging and etc. You have to do compilation. You have to prepare necessary jar var files. We have to create directory structures, n number of things, n number of things. Packaging and etc. boss. Super boss. Tell me guys. Maven features. Maven features. Yeah. Okay. Gives the facilities to download the dependencies. Nothing but jar files here. Jar files. Directly from different repositories. Repository means storage places. Repository means storage places. Don't think much. Directly from different repositories. Okay. Different repositories like local repositories or internet repositories. Like local repositories or what? Internet repositories. Are you listening my statement, guys? Like local repository or what? Internet repositories. Okay. Like from local repository or internet repository to Java to our projects. Other day we taken pain. Other day we have taken pain to arrange the jar files. Other day we have taken pain to arrange the jar files. Come on, guys. But here this pain will not be there. Okay. If you ask Maven tool, you get the jar file from internet, it will get. It will get. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Another one. If you specify main dependency, nothing but main jar file. If you specify main dependency, nothing but main jar file. Main jar file. Come on, guys. If you specify main dependency, nothing but main jar file. Main dependency, nothing but main jar file. Come on, guys. Then automatically. Then what, guys? Automatically. Okay. Dependent. Jar files will be downloaded. Automatically, the dependent jar files will be downloaded. If you download main jar file, automatically dependent jar files will be downloaded. Are you understanding my statement, guys? If you specify main dependencies, main jar files, then automatically the dependent jar files will be downloaded. Understanding my point? If you specify main dependencies, other day we have added some main jar file, some dependent jar file. But in Maven, if you specify names of the main jar file, automatically dependent jar files will come automatically. You need not to remember what are the main, what are the dependent. This is beautiful feature, Babu. Suppose your application is using classes of XJAR file. You are ready to add XJAR file. But classes of XJAR file are using classes of YJAR file. But you don't know Y is dependent jar file. If you specify XJAR file as the main jar file in the Maven project, it automatically downloads the YJAR file. It automatically downloads the YJAR file. Got it? Yeah. It provides transitive dependency. What do you mean by transitive? Suppose XAR file is dependent on Y. Y is dependent on Z. Z is dependent upon A. A is dependent on B. B is dependent on C. If you just add XJAR file, it will give the remaining all the dependent jar file. Direct or indirect jar file that are dependent will come automatically. It provides transitive dependency. I think you understood. Transitive dependency means okay. If XJAR file uses YJAR file, uses ZJAR file uses AJAR. AJAR file uses BJAR file. BJAR file. Are you understanding my statement, guys? If we add x.jar file okay, to Maven project, then it automatically downloads the other dependent jars like y.jar, z.jar, a.jar, b.jar, and like so. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Tell me, guys, those who know Servlet JSP, tell me the directory structure for web application is same as standalone application. The directory structure for web application is same as standalone application. The directory structure for distributed application is going to be same as standalone application. No, different. Okay, earlier we remembered and we created directory structures, right? If someone is there giving those directory structures for us, we will be more happy or not? If someone is there giving those directory structures for us, we will be more happy or not? Come on. Gives project archetypes as project templates. Use project archetypes, nothing but project templates. Nothing but project templates. Understanding my statement? Okay. Having different directory structures. For different types of projects. Different types of projects. Having different directory structure for different types of projects. having different directory structure for different types of projects. Popular archetypes are Hooray, in the 4 videos, more detailed explanation is there. I'm giving summary, which is required for our next application. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen quick start. This is okay for standalone applications rather. This is popular archetype for standalone application. If I create project using this archetype, Babu, superb project directory structure will come that is required for standalone. Understanding my statement? Okay. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. Maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. This is for what, guys? For web applications. For web applications. Understanding my statement. For web applications. A, B, C, D. Simply for web applications. I hope you are understanding. Yeah, provides built-in decompiler. But guys, built-in decompiler to see the source code. Source code of class. Code of classes. Provides integrated. But guys, provides integrated JUnit tool. JUnit tool to execute the given test cases and to generate the test reports. Write this test reports. Yeah, you need not to separately generate about. It also automatically gives them. It automatically gives them. Understanding my statement? Okay. Super. So like this, we are having these good advantages or not? Okay. Now listen. Yeah. Use mechanism. Okay. Use facility to pack the project in different formats like jar file or var file or tar file, or a lot of options. Taped archive was taped archive. We have that provision also. It will take care of packing also. Use facility to deploy the web applications or RESTful application. These are also web application. Okay, RESTful applications are distributed applications. Okay, in different servers. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Like this. N number of things are there or not there? Multiple facilities, multiple benefits are there or not? Got it, guys? Super. Now tell me. In Maven. Okay. Tomcat servers. In Maven, project or plugin or project or plugin or jar file dependent. Array jar file is identified with three details. A group ID. Okay. Generally company name. In case of project company name, plugin company name, jar file, jar company. Next, artifact ID. Okay. Generally, project or plugin or jar file. C. Group ID, artifact ID, come on. Group ID, artifact ID, version. Okay. Generally, what is this? Jar version or plugin version or project version. Everyone getting my point, guys? Scope is not there. Only version is important. Super, guys. Tell me, guys. No. They are not called project elements, Babu. They are identified. Tell me. We can give instructions to Maven tool in any project using its pom.xml file. What file, guys? Using its pom.xml. File. Clear, my dear? Got the clarity, boss? Everyone getting my point there or not there? We can give instructions to Maven tool in any project using its pom.xml. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity? Okay. Those who have not watched videos, at least try to study these things. So that tomorrow we can develop same project using Maven support. Guys, are we going good? Then we will go back to the basics of Spring Core module. A lot of fundamentals are there to study. We'll study one by one. Got it, guys? So